Want to make steel structure production both efficient and cost-effective? Then you absolutely cannot miss ZMDE's HT section steel assembly, welding, and straightening integrated machine. It performs outstandingly in terms of efficiency. For web thicknesses below 18 mm, no groove processing is required, significantly increasing welding speed. It uses a thermal straightening method for one-time correction, and with the workpiece moving and the equipment fixed, it can achieve uninterrupted welding, with a production pace that is incredibly fast. In terms of cost control, it is even more outstanding. One machine can replace 3 separate machines: the assembly machine, the gantry welding machine, and the straightening machine, reducing equipment purchase costs. It only requires 1 to 2 operators, which not only lowers labor costs and the risk of work-related injuries but also reduces overall power consumption by about 50%. Additionally, with its precision design and intelligent system, the qualification rate of workpieces is high. Choosing it is definitely the right decision.